In our room, Madole. 14 boys.
To go for revenge. And we want that a man.
That,
we see
14 boys. What did the 14 boys do? What did they do? Traditional marriage.
Welcome to Open Whispers channel. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, leave your comments in the comment section. When the secret whispers of a people turn to open whispers, the tyrant should know that his time is up.
Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Everybody must go! 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 It's not good! We need the Bubagu no more! We don't need them anymore!
And whenever the uninitiated throw sand at the masquerade should know that the time is up in the arena. What is going on in Imo State is not only disheartening, it's sad and unfortunate. Where the Ebube Agu outfit, a security outfit purportedly created by the government to protect the people, has turned around to be the killer of those they are supposed to protect. Who are these Ebube Agu outfits? So many stories and allegations of their misgivings in Imo State, Nigeria. Mothers have been made widows. Mothers have been made childless. Men have been killed. Youth deserting their lands in fear of Ebube Agu. In fact, it is said in Imo State that the fear of Ebube Agu is the beginning of wisdom. On Sunday, a group of boys, about 14 in number, according to report, were coming back from a wedding when they ran into this Ebube Agu outfit, according to the report. More than 7, almost 14 of them were wiped out for doing nothing. Women are lamenting. The land has been desecrated. Blood is flowing in Imo State. This was foretold. When I ran for governor of Imo State, I gave them one simple message. Is Imo State cursed or blessed? Because I knew that if we still continue playing the kind of politics we play in Imo State and in Nigeria as a whole, the politics of structure, whereby the best are relegated to the background. A system that keep on trumping mediocres in governance, who instead of staying in the state to govern the people, to provide the people good governance, dividends of democracy, all they do is to run to Abuja and play national politics. Why the people suffer? The people in most states have suffered enough. The youth are dying. Women are turning into widows. Children are killed. The stories we are hearing is not pleasant. In Imbise, in Nkwato precisely, we hear that what this Ebube Agu do is to mount roadblock, collect bikes from Okada people. If your bike is new, they will take it away. Harassing young girls. Is this still the Imo State of Sam Mbakwe? Is this still the Imo State that even Rochas left behind few years ago? Is this still the Imo State of the Emeka Ihede house? Is this still the Imo State of Timber and Caliber? In the north, you hear about bandits being turbaned. Bandits that are on wanted, police wanted list, being given, if you don't know what turbaning is, chieftaincy titles. Bandits that have killed hundreds, maimed. And the governor of Zamfara State, even though you suspended the traditional ruler or the Eme for turbaning the wanted man. You can't tell me that you are not aware of what is going on. You cannot tell me that you don't get security reports. The only people that are on the receiving side in that country called Nigeria are the poor people. They are the ones that go to the farm. They are the ones who cannot afford 3 square meters a day. They are the people suffering in Nigeria. And look at the mediocre government we have in Imo State, where the House of Assembly is rubber stamped to do nothing. How can you be sitting in a house that is falling apart, where your people that you are supposed to be legislating for are being killed every single day? Is that how the Fulani herdsmen? Is that how they are being kidnapped? Or the women who go to farm don't return? Imo State has turned to a land of wailing. People are dying, crying, wailing every day. Is it the kind of government they deserve? What has befallen Imo State? The former governor of Imo, the former deputy governor of Imo State, Aland, was saying that people cannot continue being silent because we want to be politically correct. It's time that all of us become politically incorrect and call a spade. Start calling Hope Uzodimma out and tell him that what is wrong is wrong. The killing of the generation yet unborn must stop. The people are rioting. And I know the return will be to call the military to kill the people again. How can you kill the people that you are supposed to protect? The people that are these Ebube Agu people, who are they? Who is their commander? Did anybody get any security report on him? Why are they turning around to be worse than the police that they are criticizing? And this is what I have against the state police, whereby state governors use them to settle political differences or political scores. Imo State must not be turned into a land of wailing. Enough is enough. See something? Say something, and most importantly, do something. This is Open Whispers. My heart is broken. Be well, do good work, and please, keep in touch. You can't continue sitting on the fence. You cannot. Because it's only the truth that can set us free. If you kill the people that you are supposed to govern, who will you be their governor? And those that are sitting in the House of Assembly doing nothing. A man is known for where he stands in times of crisis. Enough of this rubbish in Imo State. And enough of this policies of structure. If we continue doing this same thing again and again in Imo State, electing people that are not credible as our leaders, the land will continue to suffer. Is Imo cursed or blessed? Thank you. God bless you.